So Pentagon released these videos from their military website. These are like 48 videos and we've been waiting for. So this is one of the best videos. I actually showing that in the beginning so that you get an idea of the pictures that they released and the videos. I'm going to go through each one of those videos and I will show you. This is the best of all, and I'll go through each one of them. Most of these videos are taken out of Middle East, Syria, Iraq. Some of them are like one of the videos taken in Greece. The other one was taken in Africa. And several of them, or most of them, are taken between 22 to 24. I don't know what these are. I'll try to zoom in for each one of these videos and I'll try to track these and I'll show you the best I can. Some of these videos are 1 minute long, 1.5 minute long, and some of them are like 11 seconds. All of them are black and white. And out of all, like this is crazy one. Like, I don't know what this is. It looks like a drone, somebody made it, or your imagination for now. This is ray, cosmic ray. I use my backyard telescopes to connect with the universe. I'm a space and earth researcher. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. This is way too interesting, folks. So a lot of people are going to keep their best ones at the last, but I kept the best ones at the first. So these are the files that came from Pentagon. They released these, and these are the best pictures that you could see. And they started showing the star. I'll let you enjoy it. Trying to zoom in for you. Wow. Like somebody made a drone that looks like a star? I have no idea. And you can see some kind of a smoke trail too, or maybe it's because it's so high in the sky. So this is the first one. There are like probably 20 of them. But this is the best of all. I'm trying to zoom in more. You can see some kind of a tiny light there. So this is the next video. Wow, look at that. And this one, oh God. Did you see all the action? Trying to zoom in here. Maybe it's an aircraft. Why would a pilot report an aircraft as UAP, right? It could be anything. Could be adversaries' aircraft. It zooms on its own, so. I'm zooming in now. Oh, they're trying to lock the target. There is no sound. And it's all of them are black and white. There is no color to it. So the next one. Oh, this is one of those tiny dots. There are several of these tiny dots. I have no idea what they are. This one definitely looks like a fish. And these are like a minute and 30 seconds, 1.5 minutes videos, some of them are. So they've been tracking for a while. Oh, look at it. They are high up in the sky. They are near the windmills. Oh, that's scary to fly there. Is this the ocean? We have no idea. That is so weird. Let's look at this one. Oh, this is a very small video. It's like 10 seconds. I don't know what it is. And this is not me. They are putting this circle on it. And see, I'm trying to zoom in. It's pretty grainy. Yeah, that one looks like two of them there. Did you see that? Yeah, that looks like a same aeroplane, but too far, like the one that we saw before, right? Yeah, that looks like an aircraft. Or maybe not. Oh, look at it, how fast it is going. And when, oh, wow. Look at that. That was the frame. So when it was doing all that, it appears like two lights. When it comes next to them, it looks like that big. Did you see that? I'm trying to zoom in for you. That's the object that we are seeing. This is a 5-minute video. And they have sound. Oh. Yeah, you can see that, like a tiny one. How come he's not saying anything? you see that? I know it is all pixelated. To me, that looks like those things that come in the Matrix movie that kills the boat. Those sentinels. It looks like that. Right? It has. I don't know what you think. If he is not talking, he must be like surprised what it is. Oh, he is getting more clear view. It's coming near him. That's scary. Still doing the same thing. Some kind of a sentinel work. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Oh, it just flew by so fast. Yeah, it's like really fast. So this is another 4-minute video. Oh, did you see that? We don't know what it is. Yeah, that definitely looks a bit elongated. Oh yeah. It's another one of those sentinels. That's how it looks. I wanted to see if there's a better view. Oh yeah. It's a small thermal signature. So it's on the radar. Oh yeah, see in the bottom of the screen, that thing is flying. It's way too fast. Oh yeah, look at that. See that on the top, right here? I can zoom in for you. Yeah, it kept moving. It's like a triangle-shaped one. Look at that. I don't know what it is. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, that is serious. Oh no, we missed it. I was zooming in, so. Whoever it is knows what they're doing. They wanted to really track it. Wow. This is all in Iran, Iraq. This is in Iraq. Oh, yeah, it just flew by. It's right here, it's flying by. It's like you see that right here. Oh, wow. Did you see that? Wow. It's like a cigar-shaped object. That's it. So it went on top at the end. Yeah, see that? It went up like that. Thank you all for watching. Please do subscribe. Give me that like and hype. Thank you very much.